Commodity money. This is one of the oldest forms of currency where the money itself has intrinsic value. Items like gold, silver, salt, or even cattle were used because they were useful or scarce. People trusted commodity money because it could be used directly, not just traded. Representative money. This type of currency represents something of value stored elsewhere, usually a precious metal. Paper notes could be exchanged for a fixed amount of gold or silver. It made trading easier without carrying heavy materials while still being backed by real assets. Fiat currency. Fiat money has no intrinsic value and isn't backed by physical commodities. Its value comes from government trust and legal status. Modern currencies like dollars, euros, and yen are fiat, and they work because people agree to accept them. Digital currency. This is money that exists only in electronic form. It's used for online transactions and stored in digital systems. While it can represent traditional money, it never physically exists, making it faster and easier to transfer globally. Cryptocurrency, a decentralized form of digital currency that uses blockchain technology. It isn't controlled by governments or banks. Transactions are secured with cryptography, and popular examples include Bitcoin and Ethereum. Central bank digital currency. Often called CBDCs, these are digital versions of a country's official currency issued by its central bank. They combine the convenience of digital money with government backing, aiming to modernize financial systems. Virtual currency. Used mainly within specific platforms or games, virtual currencies have value only in their own ecosystems. Examples include in-game coins or tokens used for purchases inside digital environments. Local currency. These are used in specific regions or communities to encourage local spending. They typically exist alongside national currencies and aim to boost local economies by keeping money circulating within the area. Stablecoins. A type of cryptocurrency designed to maintain a stable value by being tied to real-world assets like fiat currencies or commodities. They aim to combine the stability of traditional money with the flexibility of crypto barter system. Not technically currency, but a precursor to it. Goods and services are exchanged directly without money. While simple, it's inefficient because both parties must want what the other offers at the same time. Precious metal coins. Coins made from gold, silver, or other valuable metals that hold intrinsic worth. Historically, these were widely used because their material value ensured trust in transactions. Paper money. Physical banknotes issued by governments or central banks. While most modern paper money is fiat, it originally represented stored commodities. It remains one of the most recognizable forms of currency worldwide.